It's 9:30 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, specifically at Sundance Park. It's February 8th, and this is the Phoenix, Arizona area, and the weather just couldn't be any nicer. Let's ride. I sometimes wonder how I got so lucky to be in such a wonderful place and time. I'd like to take credit for it, but it's like everything else I do, I just sort of seem to stumble into it. Speaking of which, when I see somebody who doesn't look like they can see me, I kind of pull over to the side and just wait it out. That's okay, I'm not in any kind of hurry. Good morning. Well, I'm in a hurry to get out and ride first thing in the morning, but once I'm out on the road, I'm just noodling along. I think the video makes it look like I'm going faster than I really am, but I'm really only going about 4, maybe at the most 5 miles an hour. Low and slow. Well, in case you're wondering, we're headed, let's see, which way is that? East on Peoria Avenue. To your left is Crossroads Plaza, and over there on the right is Discount Tire. And here are those palm trees that drop dates that I roll over sometimes. Well, it looks like someone lost a hubcap. I'm going to get it out of the way in case somebody in a wheelchair needs to get by. The shopping center there on the right is called Peoria Station. It's actually designed to kind of look like a train station, built in the 1980s. And if you're wondering if the weather is as nice as it looks, it is. It's really nice this time of year. Hot in the summer, so visit in the winter. Well, it looks like it's tax season. I've never made enough money to complain about taxes, but I know some people who have. If you look over there on the right, you can see that they're just about finished with the new Circle K. Not open yet, but soon. Okay, we're coming up on a major intersection, so I have to stop daydreaming. This is 67th Avenue. The marker that we're going past here says Peoria on the other side. We're now leaving Peoria, and when we cross 67th Avenue, we'll be in Glendale. Well, here we go. Crossing the crosswalk. Watch for traffic. Remember, we're only about 3 feet tall. Okay, we're headed south now, and let's see. Oh, yeah, there are those footprints that have been there since they resurfaced the street. Wonder how long they'll be there. Well, we're going past the Walmart neighborhood market and a place called, actually they pronounce it Bell's. I always yield to the cars turning. I actually don't even have the legal right-of-way. And even if I did, I'm not going to take it and try to be dead right. This is supposed to be fun. And it is. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.